Hey everybody, welcome back with a new episode. This is the first episode of the year, and today I'm going to show you how to create this really fancy 3D text in Hitfilm Pro right after the intro. So today I'm going to show you how to create this type of fancy text. It's really simple, and the only piece of footage you'll need is the background, which I got off vidivo.net for free. Open up Hitfilm Pro, create a new composite shot and add in your footage. When that is added, create a new text layer and change the settings to your liking. When that is done, select both layers and click this icon to make them into 3D layers. Hitfilm should add in a camera automatically, but if that's not the case, press Ctrl-Alt-C to add one. Now to make the text 3D, add the new extrude effect to it. I set the extrusion direction to back and I extruded 25 pixels. If I move the camera around now, you don't see that much of a difference. That's where the light comes in. I add a new light and move it towards the camera. As you can see now, certain parts of the 3D text are darker than others, creating this 3D look. I add a new light and move it to the side of the text. I change its color and intensity. I do the same, but then to another side of the text, making sure to use a different color light than the other one. Now, if we want to move the camera around, the background is not big enough. To fix that issue, change the size of the background. This way, if we move the camera, the background is still covered. I now set the amount of 3D views to 2, so that I have the view from the camera as well as a top view. What I do now is keyframe the motion and rotation of the camera to move along the text and to rotate to face it. After the keyframing is done, I change the keyframes to manual bezier to create a smoother motion. To add a bit of rotation to the text, I add the rotate effect from the geometry section and I keyframe the X rotation. The last thing to do is to add a grade layer with light leak and kelleen. Change the settings to your liking and voila, fancy 3D text in Hitfilm Pro. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next week with the first episode of a new series. Bye. Hi there, I hope you enjoyed that video. Now click the top thumbnail to see my latest video, click the thumbnail below it to see a highlighted one, and click my logo to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.